Hello everyone. So today I have Convoy S6 and I have paired this with W5050SQ5 5000 Kelvin emitter. So let's see how this thing works. So I have set this to group 10 and you can already see the level 1 is pretty visible and it has a really nice throw profile. So basically this is almost same reflector as S7. So this is level 2. And for inspection light, this is crazy because I can already see the pole. This is level 3. And this is level 4. So this is level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. So let me show you around. So this is level 1. Level 2. And this is quite high CRI. So you can see the tint is warm. And this is level 3. This is level 4. This is level 4. And as you know, SQ5 doesn't really get hot quickly. Though it's running on 8 amp buck driver, it is still just warm to touch. So let's do one thing. I have the S7 with me, which has the SFT25R. So this is the S7 with 25R, and this is the S6 with W5050SQ5. So let's see side by side. So this is S7 with SFT25R and this is SQ5. So the SFT25R is 6500 Kelvin and the SQ5 is 5000 Kelvin. So that's the reason you can see the difference in color, right? So this is level 2, this is level 3. So both has really nice beam profile. So let's push it to level 4, level 4. And you can see side by side. So let's take a quick walk. So this is level 1. Level 2. Is level 3. And this is level 4. So let's concentrate on the pole. So this is SQ5 on level 4, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. Let's get the SFT25R, level 2, level 3, level 4. So both on level 4. Nice, right? And I can easily see the boundary of the park. So if I point it to the tree, you can see the color difference. The SQ5 looks slightly greener. So this is SQ5 and this is SFT25R. So this looks slightly on the cool side. So this is SQ5. Now you can see it looks greener. Alright, so it's getting toasty now. So let's do a quick swip. So let's quickly see the pole one more time. So this is SFT25R, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. So this is level 1, level 2, level 3 and level 4 side by side. Both are on level 4. Alright, so here we have S7 with SFT25R and S6 with W5050SQ5. So let me know in the comment which one would you prefer. Thank you.